everyone, I'll be showing you how to use redstone to push blocks and move things around and build flying machines. Stay till the end as I'll be teaching you how to teleport too. Redstone is basically the electricity of Minecraft. You can use redstone to power lamps, dispensers and pistons. A dispenser is something which will drop items like bricks, diamonds, or if you want to be creative, even cows. Pistons are tools that can push every block except bedrock and a few others. I'll get the items needed to use redstone. In order to activate redstone, you need to use a lever, a button, or a redstone block and a redstone torch. I'm going to use pistons to push a block. I'll use a normal piston and a sticky piston. Yes, in Minecraft there are two types of pistons. The sticky piston, when retracted, will still hold the block, while the normal piston will leave the block where I pushed it. I'll use observers to detect block motion, and that will then light up the redstone lamp for a split second. Creating a contraption, when the lever is flicked, it will push a piston which has a redstone block, which in turn will activate another piston with the redstone block. This will activate the two pistons. Now watch when I flick the lever, the blocks move, and hence moving the two birch logs. And that is how to move blocks using Minecraft electricity, which is redstone. There is more complex redstone, but I'll cover it in another video, so keep watching my channel. I'm going to break it all now and create a redstone lamp. I placed the redstone, and if I connect it to a pressure plate to the redstone, that will then activate the piston, causing the redstone lamp to turn on for a split second. Now I'm just going to decorate it so it doesn't look that ugly. Let's start to build the flying machine. This will take a few minutes to get it to activate. I'm going to build it underwater. I'm building a mechanism in order to try and activate the flying machine. Oops, that didn't work. As I said, it will take a few tries. I'm placing slime blocks to stick to the pistons and observe. We are, the flying machine is working and trying to move upwards into the sky. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends.